Pasta word.
Hey, we're back. I know it took us a while to get this time to do this again, but we're back and we're gonna give you some great pasta recipes.
And we're gonna eat today, aren't we?
Guess who's hungry?
I'm hungry today.
Okay, we're gonna make a very easy recipe. It's only gonna take maybe 45 minutes at the most. Don't cry. We're gonna show them how to make a nice quick supper that's really tasty.
I'll boil the spaghetti. I know
All
that
right.
part.
He's going to start with the spaghetti, and I'll explain the rest while he's getting that going.
What's it called? DeCiccio?
We're going to use very thin spaghetti so it cooks quickly, and so it's nice in our casserole dish. Our dish today is called chicken finger Parmesan with spaghetti. So easy. We're going to make it in the cast iron pan in the toaster oven, because it's a really hot day here, right?
Yeah. What is it, 95 or more?
It's exactly 95 right now.
I'm gonna use half of this pound, see?
Yeah, just half
And save
today.
the other half for dessert.
That's for another day.
Boiling water.
But here's the chicken that we're going to use. It's Mel and Evans chicken tenders from breast meat, and it's not cooked. It's breaded, but it's not cooked. So we can't just heat these up. However, if you're making the recipe and you want to use already cooked chicken tenders, which are very popular, you can use them and then just follow the cooking time that's on the box. But we like these because they're very fresh and they don't have a lot of additives, and you know, it's really good stuff. So we're going to follow directions on the pack. 375 in the toaster oven. And while Rick is making the spaghetti, I'm going to take some regular pasta sauce, whatever your favorite is, and spread it in the bottom of a nice cast iron pan. And then the only other ingredients we're going to use: Parmesan Romano cheese, grated, some garlic powder, and some nice mozzarella cheese. Go ahead, see how it is. How's it taste?
Good, I'm hungry.
Okay. You got that spaghetti done yet?
Yep.
All right.
10 minutes here.
Okay.
So you're just waiting for this until you start that?
Yeah, let's bring the camera up and we'll show them some close-ups, okay? All right. Are you cooking the spaghetti almost done?
Sparkling. Pasta word. Was this spaghetti pie?
No, this is not spaghetti pie.
It was spaghetti cake.
No, spaghetti pie has eggs in it and it's nice and thick, like you can cut it with a knife. Now we're going to take a little of the pasta sauce.
This is cage-free spaghetti.
This is Parmesan Romano, is the one that we like the best here for a quick pasta sauce. How's it looking, Rick?
I think it's done.
Okay, can you reserve a scoop of that pasta water so we can add it to the dish?
Pasta water.
Yeah, because we want to keep that spaghetti nice and moist while it's baking.
Is that enough or you want more?
A little bit, one more scoop.
You can make soup out of that.
Yeah, and it has starch in it and it makes the total dish very nice.
Spaghetti drop soup.
All right.
Cage-free.
Can you drain the pasta in the colander now?
Cage-free.
Let me get another angle here. You can pour the rest through the colander and then we'll add it to the pan with some sauce in the bottom.
Oh yeah.
Woo. All right, that can go right in.
In the sink?
Pour it right in the pasta pot.
Right on the bottom?
Pour it right into the sauce here.
Pour it?
Yeah.
See, I'm gonna go cook.
Yes, you are. All right.
Wonderful, wonderful.
All right, now we have our base for the
A bit of base.
chicken Parmesan. We're going to lay these out. Now, I mentioned that these are not cooked, and these are chicken tenders that are not formed. They're regular pieces of chicken breast. So that's what comes in a box of 12 ounces. All right, now,
Is it done?
hey, give it a toss of garlic
Give it a
powder.
twirl.
Don't be shy.
I'm not shy.
Okay. Then we're going to pour the sauce. Oh, we got a good view there. We're going to make sure all the chicken gets covered with some sauce.
It smells good now.
Yeah, don't worry, you won't have to wait long now. The oven is preheating, 375. Do you want to put a little water in that jar so we rinse it out? And then we're going to add the rest of that pasta water.
Pasta water. Oh, put this pasta water in the bowl?
Yeah, first, pour that in.
Put the sauce first.
Yeah,
This.
it's all going to mix together when it's bubbling. That's the idea. We want to make sure all this spaghetti gets covered. Go ahead and add that hot pasta water.
Where at?
Right around like you just did.
It's hot. Hot stuff.
Good.
Sure we need that much?
Yeah, because the spaghetti's going to continue to absorb for the next half hour. All right, now I'm going to douse it with some nice fresh grated mozzarella.
Now it looks like pizza.
Yeah, now this will help to keep the chicken moist while it's baking. And we're going to follow the directions, as I said, on the package for a half hour. It's already sitting on hot pasta, so we'll sprinkle it with some more cheese because we love that here. All right, should we get it in the oven?
Yep.
All right.
That's the casserole oven, right?
Right.
That's an air fryer, rotisserie, it's everything.
Yeah, we use this oven for so much.
What else does it do? Broils, bakes, air fries.
And this is our cast iron pan, fits right in there. It's preset 28 minutes, so 25 to 30 minutes is what we want for this. So we'll be back in 30 minutes and we'll check on it.
I can't wait. All right, see you.
It's done. It's done. Let's check it out.
That's good.
Oh. All right, now this is a really hot pot here. I'm going to take it out and we'll look at it on the counter. Wow, look at that.
La Crusade.
Bubbling. Nice sauce and spaghetti. Wow. Now I would like to check the temperature of the chicken. Let's see how it came out. Oh, 191. What the package advises is let's cook this to 170 degrees. And that's where we are, over 170.
Okay, let's eat it.
All right, let's get it to the table and
We gotta
serve
let
it up.
cool a little bit, right?
Yeah.
All right. Good time?
Yeah, I think it's hot, but we could serve it and let it cool off on our plates.
Okay.
Okay. Look how nice that looks. Now, the tricky part, getting it out. Cut away a couple nice chicken tenders here. And the spaghetti comes along. Ooh, look at that.
What's that on my plate?
Oh, that's beautiful, huh?
What's that green thing?
Well, you have some cucumbers with blue cheese dressing.
Oh, okay.
Look at that. I'm going to give you another nice chicken tender.
Oh. Ooh.
Wow.
What are you going to have?
I'm going to have some too. Get this one here.
That's the La Crusade pan, isn't it?
Yeah, that's the Le Creuset. Boy, does that do a great job.
You having two?
No, but I'm going to have a little more spaghetti. Now see how the spaghetti plumped up there because we added the starchy water with the extra sauce.
Okay, I'm ready.
All right, we'll leave this here. This nice pan will keep everything warm in case you want another serving. Would you like some extra Romano cheese?
Okay.
All right, I'm going to sprinkle it up for you. So we have time here while it cools. Oh, this is when you eat your salad. Right?
Yeah.
I'm taking this.
Where's my salad?
Well, it's a cucumber salad, right? All right. Cheers. Some nice iced tea. All right, we're back with Pasta Word. A nice, easy summertime cooked supper. I mean, you might not always want to cook and turn on the oven and everything. Something you can make in your toaster oven, right?
Mm-hmm. Ooh.
Take it easy there.
So, what is this? Parmesan?
Chicken tender Parmesan with spaghetti.
And chicken and cheese.
Wow. Now, this Bell and Evans chicken is nice and moist. That's what I really love about cooking it from raw to baked in your own recipe, because, you know, if it's already been baked, like a chicken nuggets and stuff that are pre-cooked, it's not as nice and tender. Don't you think?
Mm-hmm. It's hot though.
We always jump into this too quickly. It's really good.
Mm-hmm.
I think it's a nice recipe.
Yeah. The kooks are good too. They should cool off my mouth, right?
Yeah, they should. If we were smart, we would
Cool
eat
as
them
a
first.
cucumber.
We're curious, like, what is your favorite pasta sauce? If you use one that's already made, do you have a favorite ragu or the store brand? Like, I love the Wegmans Parmesan.
Mm.
And I also like Prego Parmesan. You have a favorite?
Well, my mom always used to get ragu, and I used to like that. Haven't had it in a while, did I?
No, I don't usually buy that, but is it, you like the chunky or the smooth?
Well, chunky if it's meat. Smooth if it ain't meat.
Oh, okay.
If the chunks are meat, not tater skins or tomato skins.
Yeah. I do like the garden vegetable too, though, where it's chunky pieces of zucchini and tomatoes and stuff in there. And I love the one that we make ourselves,
Yeah, not with fruit in it.
but we're not ready for that yet this year. So what do you guys like? I really would like to hear that, because it gives us some ideas, right?
Mm-hmm. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe. We're going to eat all this once it cools a little better. It's really good though.
We'll be back soon with something else. We have some good ideas. Bye. Thanks for watching.
Mm.
Mm-mm-mm-mm.